We report the results of an investigation into the effects of 3 different powder-based additive manufacturing techniques on the mechanical and biological properties of tissue engineering scaffolds. The investigation focuses on the use of selective laser sintering, SLS, and inkjet 3D printing, HDP, as versatile powder-based technologies for the fabrication of tissues. We found that, A. The optimum setup of parameters is not achieved for a given material, B. The best possible mechanical, biological properties are obtained, and C. The best possible print quality is achieved.
This article is titled, A Review on Powder-Based Additive Manufacturing for Tissue Engineering, Selective Laser Sintering and Inkjet 3D Printing, and was authored by Seyed Farid Shirazi, Samira Gharehkhani, Mehdi Mehrali, Hooman Yarmand, Hendrik Simon Cornelis Metselaar, Nahrizul Adib Kadri and Noor Azuan Osman.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.